Welcome to your Nature Sounds retreat. Find a quiet, comfortable spot where you can sit or lie down undisturbed. Gently close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Let the calming sounds of nature embrace you, creating a sanctuary of peace around you. Imagine the freshness of the air, the scent of wet earth and leaves, enveloping you in their tranquility. As you settle in, draw your attention to your body. Start at the crown of your head and slowly scan down to your toes, noticing any areas of tension or tightness. Breathe into these areas, and on each exhale, imagine the tension dissolving away, washed clean by the gentle rain. With every breath, feel your body becoming lighter, more relaxed, as if the sounds of the forest are weaving a cocoon of calm around you. Now turn your focus to your breathing. Notice the natural flow of your breath, how it enters cool and fresh through your nostrils and warms as it gently flows out. With every inhale, imagine drawing in the peace of the forest. With every exhale, release any lingering stress or worries. Let your breath become a gentle stream, flowing smoothly and effortlessly, carrying away all tension. Allow your mind to clear, like the sky after a rainstorm. Thoughts may come and go, but let them pass by like clouds without attachment. Focus back on the sounds of the forest, the distant calls of birds, the rustle of leaves stirred by a soft breeze. Each sound helps to sweep away clutter, leaving your mind serene, spacious, and open. Picture yourself walking through a lush, vibrant forest. Each step on the forest floor is cushioned by moss. The air is cool and misty, filled with the fragrance of pine and earth. As you walk, notice the light filtering through the canopy, casting dappled shadows. Feel a deep connection to all the life around you, which brings a profound sense of harmony and belonging. Pause in your forest walk and find a place to sit beneath a tall, ancient tree. As you sit, feel the sturdy, grounding presence of the tree supporting you. Breathe in sync with the subtle life of the forest. Breathe out and feel more rooted and connected. With each breath, you become an integral part of this tranquil woodland realm, deeply at peace. As our session comes to a close, begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Notice the surface beneath you, the air touching your skin. Gently begin to move your fingers and toes, bringing movement back to your body. When you are ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and carrying with you the calmness and clarity of the forest. Remember that this peaceful retreat remains within you, accessible anytime you need serenity. Thank you for joining me in this Nature Sounds retreat. Go forward with peace and clarity in your heart. If this meditation has brought a moment of calm to your day, consider joining our growing community. By subscribing to our channel and clicking the like button, you help us share the power of meditation with more souls searching for tranquility in this bustling world. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of peace. Each like, subscription, and share not only supports our channel, but also spreads positivity and mindfulness to others. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Remember, peace starts within, and through our collective calm, we can make the world a more serene place. Until next time, namaste.